Day, this is Brad with AftermarketTractorParts.com. Well, if you've seen any of our other videos, you figured it out now. We don't just sell parts. We work on stuff. It's a functional shop, and that's what we do mostly. But the part thing is something that we need to do, and it's good for everybody. So this one here, we ain't selling this part. This is just a good fix. 5830 John Deere chopper. The problem we've been having with some of these, the pivot for your clutch engagement lever through your clutch housing, the housing gets wore. You got a couple options. You pull the whole housing out of there, send it to a machine shop, and get it fixed and remachined. It's a giant job, kind of stinks to do. Because what happens when that gets wore is, it gets rid of some of the throw that you have to engage and disengage your clutch. It slops around that shaft. So we're trying this. We made us a bracket here. Shaft goes on a pillow block bearing. We put that externally. So I'll get underneath here and I'll show you a few things, but I think this is a pretty good fix. We'll see how it goes. So thanks. All right, we're down here under the 5830 chopper. This here is our clutch engagement shaft. There's a lever welded to that that goes up to that clevis. What we did is we cut the lever off. You can see the slop in that thing real bad. That's where we're losing all our throw. So the bracket we made is going to go here and come out to here. The other side was just as worn. You can't see it, but it moves around a bunch. So I made a bushing, goes in there. We're going to pound it in there. That'll take care of the slop on that side. So we'll see. We're going to put this together and see how it works. Thanks. All right, we're back here on the 5830. We got our new mechanism put in here for the shift control or the clutch control. So we put us made us a bracket, put a pillow block in, tighten everything up. Go ahead and move that lever, Adam. You see we can hear it kicking in and out now, snapping in. That's good. And there ain't no play left. So now we got full travel again. So nice little fix. I can try to get you a better picture of that mount. But we just went off the back 2 bolts and put a pillow block bearing on the shaft and re-welded the lever back on, and it works real nice. So good luck if you want to try it. Thanks.